Hi, I'm Guillaume, developer evangelist at InterSystems. We will be at DevSlam 2022 in Dubai. We will have the pleasure to be present during the World Show. We will also organize a workshop with an hands-on on Iris Data Platform. But wait, what is Iris Data Platform? Iris Data Platform is a powerful database and unique in its kind because it's multimodal. That is to say, it's compatible with SQL and NoSQL. Then, it's an HDAT database. That is said, it also can perform transactional or analytical processing, all with the speed that crush all the competition. There is no magic in it. We can store in row or in column. Finally, it's an hybrid database, which means it can be used as in-memory or persistent. All is accompanied with the application engine to execute your code near the data. That is Iris Data Platform. Come to see us at our booth or to the workshop to learn more. You might be surprised. See you soon.